So that's why I have to make sure we work together at all times.
And big up yourself, Miss Lucy.
All the time.
Oh yeah, Bridget. What was that toast there?
What man toast you?
That is it. Hit me, how are you? What's it? Oh. Right.
Now I have a good friendship.
Just imagine back in the day, where all this Steve and Bruce is just stone and marl and thing. All the governor's guests rode into the wagons. So the attendants or enslaved people would take the wagons, take the horses, and the horses would go inside that building, which was the horse stables. So all of that was the horse stables. The wagons and everything would be taken care of, and then the guests would enter here.
Oh.
So let me welcome you to the ballroom.
Sure.
So it's like a hotel back in the days.
No, not a hotel. It's just that when he was entertaining guests. So this was where they would enter. So you have just walked into what was called the grand ballroom.
And they said rich people only.
Yeah, man, governor's friends. When the governor is having, because this is where the governor used to live in. So this was the king's house. This was the old king's house, right? So this is the bath I was telling you about. Just watch your steps coming up here.
Sure.
So rough, you see? What's the step?
In here.
Yeah. So we nicknamed this the Lady Nugent's bath. But what it really was, it was a communal bath. So the governor and his army captains or soldiers, the heads of the armies, they would you'd have 8 to 9 of them in here at a time. Could be more, could be less. When they're inside here, no woman was allowed because what they're doing, they're planning war strategies. It was something built to kind of mimic the Roman army because the Roman had something like this too for that purpose.
Learn something again.
I'm very educational.
Learn what it. Thanks again.
No problem, man. That's what we're here for, you know?
Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome.
That's it. Anything else?
Watch your step.
All right, so during the time of the Spanish, they had an underground tunnel that led from Port Henderson all the way into Spanish Town, right? When the British took over, the British found that same tunnel and they blocked it off. And when they built this magnificent building here, what they did now, they turned that underground tunnel into an escape route. So if they came under attack, the governor could just slip in there. He could end up in any of the other 3 buildings in the square. He could end up at the cathedral. He could end up at Philippa Baptist Church. Any other building around the place. Nobody would know where it would end up. So let me show you where the tunnel ends.
Just like an emergency exit.
Emergency exit. And most government houses, most parliament buildings, government houses have an emergency exit or escape route. So this is where the tunnel.
Oi!
Come on, yourself. So this is where the tunnel would either start/end. Depends on where you're coming from.
I can't go down there and take a walk.
It's up to you.
You want to go?
When I think I can tell you, it won't take you very far, but the tunnel is still accessible.
Okay.
This cool.
Can I go picture with
No? This bad, I'm excited. You know, I just say I tell you, I just get super excited.
Please don't get excited about this tunnel.
Tyrone, this was exclusive. Thank you for the tour.
Enough respect.
I swear.
It was my pleasure, you know.
Thank you so much again. And enough Jamaicans don't explore culture.
For real.
Thank you.
Bless up here.
Learn something.
Watch your step here. Go on back there. Come Tyrone. General. They're calling me back on the tunnel. Tyrone.
Me hear you.
No, nothing the man said it's the tour shot. I want to How can I make him know say it's a good look? I'm curious of look.